Defensive lapse. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of the phrase, defensive lapse. This phrase is often used in sports commentary but can also be applied in other contexts. So, let's get started and explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Defensive lapse refers to a momentary failure or error in judgment by a person or team responsible for defending or protecting something. This term is commonly used in sports, like soccer or basketball, to describe a situation where the defense fails to prevent the opposing team from scoring. However, it can also be used metaphorically in various situations. For example, in a business context, a defensive lapse might refer to a moment when a company fails to protect its data or interests effectively. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports, the team's defensive lapse in the final minutes of the game cost them the championship. 2. In everyday life, forgetting to lock the back door was a defensive lapse that allowed the burglars to enter easily. 3. In business, the company's defensive lapse in not updating their security software led to a significant data breach. These examples show how a defensive lapse can have consequences in different areas of life. Now that you know what defensive lapse means, let's talk about how to use it. This phrase is particularly useful when discussing situations where there's a need for protection or defense, whether it's in sports, security, or even personal life. For example, you might say, "We need to avoid any defensive lapses during the project to ensure its success." Thank you for joining us today. I hope this explanation of defensive lapse helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of different phrases and terms. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.